Niki sekan gong.
Yeah. That is the gambler.
Hah?
Gambler, the people who playing the gambler, you call gambler.
Oh yang jelema meswang munyin gamelan disebut gambler. The playing of people, the playing of gambler.
Yeah.
The people, the playing of
Drummer.
Wow.
Yeah.
The playing of people sing tadi peten bungut bener.
Singketo.
Sing itu bahasa Inggris dong. Tumen ngecang sing itu. Oh berarti ya nak main musik itu cara bude gamelan gambling.
Gambler, the people who playing gong, they call gonger.
Playing of riong,
Rionger.
di playing kecek,
Attacker.
keceker.
Yeah. And the people who gamble on the ogo beleganja.
Belegenja.
Yeah.
The playing of musik kabelistik ngecer.